Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is March the 20th, 2021. We're going to give you all the price prediction update in the market for Facebook. I'm the analyst, which sees that Facebook could actually make all-time highs in the market. We're going to break all of that down and give you all the expectation as to how high the market in Facebook can go. But before I do, if today is your first time ever watching this particular video, you guys can see that we're giving you all the heads up as to where price is anticipated to go so that we can get in position and win in the market. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap that bell notification as well so you do not miss out on any of our price predictions that we are garnering for the stock market. You can also join us on our website, HueFinancial.com. That's where we're placing all the other plays that we have no time to conduct videos for. So now here we are. You guys can see that we already did a price prediction in the market in Facebook all the way back in October of 2020 right here. Okay. It is on our other YouTube channel. October 24th, 2020 was the last time we did our prediction in Facebook. You can check it out at our other YouTube channel, HueFin News. It is in the Facebook playlist. Okay. So now, even at that particular moment, we were expecting the market in Facebook to go higher in price. And breaking this down, initially the market in Facebook did not do that. The market stays subpar below our price prediction. Now at that particular moment, it definitely told us that the market in Facebook is not overly that bullish, right? For the majority of the trading days that happened below our prediction, definitely emphasized that the trap really wasn't filling. He didn't want to increase the price of Facebook to all-time highs at that particular moment. So from October 2020 to today's current date, you guys can see that the market in Facebook simply traded sideways. That's it. Now that has given us the ability to really look into the market in Facebook and see how much gas has been stored up in the tank for the next movement, whether to the upside or to the downside. And we should be able to see that on the varying time frames that we're going to talk about on this particular video. So first things first, if we wanted to get out the market today, we would be about 1.86% profitability all the way back in October. Now, I don't like the majority of all the trading days in the market in Facebook of how it has traded below our TP price. So yeah, I will consider this a lost trade. We really don't try to keep our soldiers locked up in prison for long. We try to get them into the war, come back with the loot, and put them back into business. Right? So it took a while, from October to today's current date, just for us to even see a little bit of profitability. So let's take this one out. Consider this one lost 5.25%, which happened relatively quick in the market of when we did our prediction in Facebook. So let's take that away though. Now let's take a look into the market in Facebook on the 3-day time frame first, and we're going to show you all. I'm going to get rid of this ascending line because the market is not following it, but yes, the market in Facebook is in an upward trend. Okay, now let me zoom in and we're going to create the trading channel into the market in Facebook. All right, so now you might even see a couple of people in Facebook draw out this trend into the market. Right now, what do you see on this descending triangle? The market in Facebook broke it. On this last completed 3-day price bar, the market in Facebook broke the trend. So we're definitely in line now to see the market in Facebook come and break these all-time highs, which occurred on the August 24, 2020. We're now on course to see that happen. So now, since we are not seeing the market following this descending line, we can actually see it come and try to break the all-time high level. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. This is the trading channel to which the market in Facebook has been trading. Now, granted, this area here is closer to where that restriction area is. Okay, I'm just going to keep it up there to the all-time high prices because we want to see the market trap come in and try to break that and make new all-time highs. All right. So this is it. This is the trading channel into the market in Facebook. You might even see the market come down here as a more pristine or accurate place of support for Facebook. All right. So this is it. This is our playground. This is going to be the area of which we're going to focus in on the price action of the trap. Right. If he continues to show us strength, we're going to come back up here and try the all-time highs. If we see weakness, we're going to continue to bounce down and go lower in price. But accordingly, the market in Facebook is definitely giving us some strength. I mean, when you look at this on the 3-day time frame, even on the 5-day time frame, we're seeing the market strength play out into the market for Facebook. I like it on the weekly time frame as well. The spread of this last completed weekly price bar emphasizes that there's still some wantonness to continue to increase this price to the all-time price level. Okay, so yeah, we're going to continue to play the strength into the market in Facebook. So let's do this here. So now, all-time high price of about $304, almost $305 is about 5% from where we're seeing the market in Facebook go. Okay, this area, $280, definitely needs to be held for support, but I'm going to drop it down just a tad into the market for Facebook. And that's it. This is simple. We're going to expect the market in Facebook to go high in price. And the next thing I wanted to do and show you is that the trend into the market in Facebook is one of higher price. So that is also a positive thing to see. Now, quick, easy to see, easy to understand. Where do y'all expect the market in Facebook to go? Do you expect the trap to try to make all-time highs into the market in Facebook next week? Do you think it's going to take a while? Do you think the market is going to continue to trade within our 2 horizontal lines on our chart? Where do you think the market in Facebook is headed? You know, if you don't see what we're seeing on the price chart, that's fine. But one thing I really want you all to realize is that you need to make sure you're in position. You need to predict and forecast where prices are going to go in order to win. We need to learn how to call the markets. And we cannot be dependent on a plethora of technical indicators, fundamental analysis, if you're in the market to win. Now, if you're playing the market long term, then the opportunity cost definitely is minimized, but just understand that you're missing out on the opportunity cost to take that money and make money somewhere else once you keep it locked up in a position for 5-10 years. Okay, so let me know what you all think about Facebook, higher, lower, and where would you exit out and take your profit. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.